Welcome! In front of me is a REALME GT2, and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. Now to get started, open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open and visible for me, but just make sure your content is also visible on your screen. From there, all you need to do is hold power key and volume down at the same time. You'll have this pop-up. Also, it gives you a notification that you can do the same thing with a 3-finger swipe down, which I'll demonstrate right now. There we go, same effect. Now, once you capture your screenshot, to give you this pop-up right here, it's just gonna be visible briefly, and after like a second or two it disappears. So later on you can find all the screenshots that you have captured in your Photos application. So normally you'd be visible right here, and that's where you would start. And as you can see, we have today, so we have the 2 screenshots that I have literally just captured. But later on, if you want to come back to some screenshot later down the line, weeks, months later, you can quickly find simply just like the screenshots and screenshots only under albums and screenshots folder. And in here you'll see just the screenshots and nothing else. So even if you have a crap load of photos, just like normal photos, they will not show up here. And again, I can just tap on it and view it from here. So anyway, with this being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.